That's my wife taking that treadmill. I just finished my Mr. Climber here. Sometimes I finish up to 20 floor, but this time I only finish up to 15 floor. I'm tired and sweating too hot. So I'm gonna go to the bicycle there. And then if I have time, I'm gonna do the treadmill. My wife used to cannot do the treadmill like in 1 minute. Now she can do long time. She's improving her heart. Thank you for watching.